What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Teenager Side channel. I'm Sai here, and today we're gonna do a cooking episode. Come along. We're gonna make some burgers today out of the van. We got some butter me up lettuce, we got some onion, tomatoes, and some prime rib steak burgers. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna season. So here I got the burgers. We're gonna season it with some onion powder, garlic powder, Himalayan salt, and my favorite, black pepper. Gotta have black pepper with it. So now we're gonna turn the frying pan on. Bring this down, twist the knob, boom. Put the frying pan on there. We're gonna wait till the pan warms up a little bit. I enjoy eating meat, but the thing about cooking meat is not really what you wanna do inside the van. Our first night doing this, we cooked steak, and we decided to cook in the van. We didn't know that how much grease is like splattering everywhere. Like behind the driver's seat was all full of grease, and the grease left a stench. The smoke, the steam of the meat left a smell in the car that we couldn't get rid of. It was there for like a good, 2 weeks? Yeah, it was horrible, bad idea. So from now on, we cook meat on the outside of the car. So we're just waiting for this to get warmed up. What I'm doing now is I'm seasoning the other side. Okay, so welcome to the cutting station. Let's start off with some onion, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this end first. Inside of that. Oh, look at that onion, it looks so good. We're gonna cut the onions while we let the burgers sit, because it's very important that we only flip one time. It keeps the juices in the burger. So we're gonna cut that. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I'm gonna put that aside just like that. Tomato, I usually cut inside of it like this. It comes out. That's the trick. You just stab it. I get mad and stab it, so don't mind my trick. Knife is really not that sharp, so that's my technique. I just stab it and just cut along the line. Smell that, burgers? I can smell the burgers. It smells good. And as far as this we just basically is already cut and washed. I just gotta get rid of. Boom. And some. Okay, so we're gonna close this, and now you can meet me back at the stove. Now doesn't that look good? Only you guys can have like a smell sensor on TV and you can watch it. Oh yeah. Living in the van really does minimize your choices with cooking. It's living out of a van. When you cook at home, you know, pull out the stove. I'm sorry, not pull out the stove. See, that's what van lifers do. Pull out the pans or pots. You put it on the stove that's already there. You just turn it on. You cook. You eat. You wash your dishes with a pressurized faucet. See, I say pressurized faucet because no one really realizes that you need pressure on your faucet. And eat dishes later, it's gonna suck. If you come on here, this faucet is not that much pressure, and it's just a faucet that just pumps water. That's it. It doesn't make it hot or anything like that. And you know, with grease, you need hot water to clean out the pan. Doesn't that look good?
And greasy.
How I feel about storing raw meat. It all depends. I personally don't like to store raw meat because cross-contamination. So with this meat here, what I'm gonna usually do is I'm gonna cook it while I eat the other meat, and once it's done cooking, I can store it and throw it in the cooler, and I can warm it up later on tomorrow or something like that, and I don't have to worry about cross-contaminating any kind of food or getting sick or anything like that too. So gotta think about that too. You don't have any place, huh? I like onions, so. There we go. Excuse me, what was that?
Juicing.
No, Well, there you go. That's how you make a burger in the van. If you like that video, like and subscribe to our channel, Tina and Sai. Till next time, guys. It's just vegetables. It's not like it's meat.